Gajendra Kothari, a CFA charter holder and a mutual fund distributor based out of Mumbai. In today's video, we are going to discuss what is asset allocation and its importance in our portfolio. So, let's get going. Asset allocation is an investment strategy that aims to balance risk and reward by apportioning a portfolio's assets according to an individual's risk profile, goals, and investment horizon. The three main asset classes, that is equities, bonds, and gold, have different levels of risk and return, and each will behave differently over time. Why asset allocation is important? There is no simple formula that can find the right asset allocation for every individual. However, the consensus among most financial professionals is that asset allocation is one of the most important decisions that investors make. In other words, the selection of individual securities or schemes is secondary to the way that assets are allocated in stocks, bonds, or gold, which will be the principal determinant of your portfolio return. The second reason why asset allocation is important is because of two golden rules of the legendary investor Warren Buffett, who says, rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, don't forget rule number one. Asset allocation does this job so beautifully by investing your money into different asset classes so that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. The other reason why asset allocation is important, because Benjamin Graham once said that successful investing is about managing risk and not avoiding it. By doing asset allocation, you are diversifying your money into different asset classes so that if one asset class is not performing well at a point of time, the other asset class compensates for the same. And the third reason why asset allocation is important is because I'm reminded of a wonderful quote on asset allocation by Ray Dalio, who said, you should have a strategic asset allocation mix that assumes you don't know what the future is going to hold. Finally, I would like to end my talk with a wonderful analogy. No matter how much sweet we may like in a thali, our thali doesn't consist only of sweets. We need rotis, we need dal, we need rice, we need papad, pickle, curd, and of course sweets in our portfolio, because then it is called a balanced thali. Same thing in our portfolio. Our portfolio can't consist only of one asset class. It has to be a mix of different asset classes with different risk and return parameters so that we are able to achieve a balanced return in our portfolio, and in the process helps us achieve our financial goals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for tuning into this.
An investor education initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.